Okay class. Today, we will learn basic division. Division is when you divide a number into a half of the original quotient. Quotients will be discussed later on in class. Any questions before we watch the division tutorial?
Well, I have a question. Can we leave yet?
That's the normal question, but no. Okay, now the video will start.
So, this is lesson 1 in the math division unit. This says divide 6 by 2. So what we will do, is we will draw 6, divided by 2, equals, and now what we do is think, how would this be solved? The answer would be 3, because 6 put into 2 halves is 3.
I'll just ask Mr. Brian to use the bathroom. Mr. Brian? Can I use the bathroom?
Sure, Kayla, but make it quick.
Fire alarm, here I come. Now I really gotta run.
Welcome back to GNN News. Our top story today is about a little 8-year-old named Kayla Martin, who pulled the fire alarm at Richardson Elementary just today at 1:30 p.m. We now interview Nicholas Bryan, Kayla's teacher.
It all happened just like this. Everyone was watching a tutorial on division, and Kayla asks me to use the bathroom. So I said yes. And then, she pulls the fire alarm. What was the reasoning of that, Kayla? You and your family have to pay $2,000 for the damages done to students.
Thank you for watching GNN News. No news is good news.
Oh. Kayla, why did you pull the fire alarm? You are grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your room until dinner.